Quilt. Quilt provides warmth and protect from excessive cold and serve decorative purposes and can be used in number of ways. Quilts are better match for hot sleepers, those who like to sleep under numerous layers of bedding. Our branded quilt is made of 2 layers of branded quality cloth with a layer of soft filling with our natural kapok fiber in Tamil, usually called as Ilavampanju, between them and stitched in lines or box patterns through all layers. We can use as bed coverings, blankets and floor bed. We can put additional removable cover for quilt that can be washable. Our natural kapok fiber is good for health and keeps our body temperature cool, non-allergic, biodegradable. These quilts are no added chemicals and filled with natural fibers which provides good sleep. Everyone after long work need good sleep. Sleep is more important nowadays to avoid unwanted diseases. Our kapok fiber provides good sleeps naturally, so use it and have a peaceful sleep. Don't you know our planet is getting ailing because of using the spring mattress? Well, we are providing you eco-friendly products with perfect quality. To learn more, contact this number or use this link to shop our product. Thank you. By Kapok India.